What's going on, people? This is Chalet here with New Level, and I'm glad to speak to you guys again. Well, in short, we go around as a brokerage company and we look for emerging market. Now, the project you're going to see was a property that we're able to acquire in Tennessee. We took that property from, very, very bad condition, remodeled it, get it tenanted, and then we're able to get a positive cash flow. Take a look at the progress of the job. Stay tuned. Oops.
All right, I'm here in Memphis with Allison, and we just acquired this new property here, and she's gonna tell us exactly how the process works from start to finish. Allison,
Wonderful.
Take it away.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for coming out to visit us.
Not a
it's
problem.
Awesome to have you guys.
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay, so we're here in Memphis, Tennessee. This is 1180 Knox. This property looked nothing like this, you guys, when we first acquired it. Okay, it was disgusting. We're just gonna say it. It was hideous. We've taken this thing from the ground up.
Does it look brand new?
Doesn't it look brand new?
Is it ready to be moved in?
It is ready to be moved in. So
All
we've
right.
just finished the renovation here just this week, just in time for you guys to come out to visit. Actually, lined up perfectly. We put on a brand new roof here on this one.
Yeah.
Brand new siding, painted it that nice, pretty olive green color. It's real natural. We've got the new shutters up.
Good.
Landscaping here, new azalea bushes. They're native to the south. They grow really well here. They'll bloom these beautiful pink blossoms. Let's go.
Come on in. Wow.
Right.
I like the smell of new
Oh, man.
construction. This
is great.
Smell brand new.
Right?
So you meant to tell me you guys gutted this place and now it's ready to be moved in.
It's ready. It's ready.
That is awesome.
We've been in this one for about 6 weeks now.
Wow.
So it's done. Yeah. So new
Brand new
flooring in
carpet.
here.
Okay, new
New
flooring.
carpet. Got ceiling fans.
Uh-huh.
New blinds.
Got the new trimming, the paint is brand new, everything is, so this is pretty much bring out toothbrush and ready to go.
Right, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, come on, move on
Yes,
in.
let's
We're ready
go.
for you.
Come over here. Oh, man.
So brand new kitchen. Now this is somewhere that we've truly gutted this property.
Okay.
So
Yes.
from the flooring to the cabinets, the countertops, the plumbing, the sink, brand new washer and dryer hookups, brand new hookup for the oven, everything, brand new outlets.
So if you're a renter,
Yeah.
would you say this is ideal, this is what you're looking for?
This is more than ideal. This is
Uh-huh.
actually a bit exceptional in the market. This is going to be more than they're even thinking that they would get.
And tell me now, once this property is already finished, what about the application process? Do you have people line up to rent it? How that goes? Exactly.
Totally, absolutely. So we're actually already fielding applications left and right for this property, but we're really picky, as you know. So
So what you tell me is, as a new owner here, I'm gonna have renters in place already
Right.
in my investment ready to go.
right, correct. Cash flow
That's
from
what I'm
day
talking
one.
about. This is how we do cash flow from day
That's
one.
right,
All right,
exactly.
let's take a closer look at the finish here.
For sure.
Okay. I can open this up.
It's nice to have an entrance straight into the house from the carport.
Got it.
Got groceries in the rain, etc. Brand new door here. It's solid wood.
Mm-hmm.
We stained it.
Okay.
Brand
Awesome.
new storm door.
So Allison, to close this off, if I have any investor, let's say in Fort Lauderdale, in Florida, that are looking to purchase in Memphis,
Yeah.
what would you tell them? How's the process and how easy it is to come in, pick a property, and then have it finished by your company from start to finish?
How much time do we have? Oh my god, it's so easy.
Make it quick.
It's so easy. No, so I'll tell you what. It is extremely simple. We
Okay.
make it very passive.
Uh-huh.
Every single property that we do will look exactly like the one you guys have seen today. Same carpet, same flooring, same cabinets, the whole 9 yards. You really have to split hairs to find the differences. Every single one of our properties comes with a brand new 1-year no deferred maintenance warranty, a 90-day rental guarantee, a 1-year refill guarantee. You are set up.
That's a lot of currency, but just to let you guys know, this one is taken.
Right.
This is mine.
This one's
Get
yours.
your own.
That's right.
Allison, thank you very much.
So nice to meet
Awesome.
you, Shelly. Wonderful.
There we are again one more time. Chalet here with New Level Group, and I really hope that you guys had a good time looking at the work that we did in Tennessee. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, why all the way in Tennessee? Well, the key thing is you gotta find emerging markets. So we not only focus on local property, but we are all over the state, all over the country, looking for pockets of appreciating and emerging market. So the job we did in Tennessee is just one of many. If you like what you saw, and if you want to be part of this group of investors, join me, hit me up, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and everything else. Again, this is what we do at New Level.